Hello and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to say a quick special thank you to you because so many of y'all subscribed off the last slot car video I did, and guys have been really digging it. So what I wanted to do today is show you what progress I've made this week on the track and some of the custom things I'm working on right now. So down on the track, I noticed right off the bat, I had the stock lap counter system, which was this little light bridge made out of metal. And it worked phenomenally, but it was kind of ugly. So what I've done is I've gone on ahead and 3D printed the Dunlop Tower, which is pretty darn cool. And if you're interested in this, I'll put the files down in the description of this video so you can make this exact same tower if you want. Now, after I spent a little bit of time on the bamboo slicer, I put this on my Bambu Lab A1 printer. If you've been looking at getting into 3D printing, I've talked to a couple of my friends into getting these. This is the most turnkey, plug-and-play 3D printer on the market right now, and I highly recommend you actually do check this out. So anyway, I printed out the whole tower, started putting it together. Everything came out looking beautiful. And then I had to take the light bridge and destroy it. Now, go into this project knowing, now that I already know, you could have just used any LED light for this light bridge if you decide to change it out. But I wanted to use the existing one so I knew all the parts would be compatible. I noticed that it was just put together with hot glue, so I dumped isopropyl alcohol all over the light bridge, 90% if you can find it. After it set for a few seconds, that loosens the hot glue, and I just popped it open using a screwdriver. Once I was inside, I just cleaned up all the wiring, and I actually just moved everything over into the building. Once it was done, I assembled it, brought it out here to the table, and as you can see, it really added a lot of scale detail to the track, and it gets rid of anything that does not have theming on it here on the track. Anyway, guys, it's been a lot of fun doing this one. What I want to do next is get it painted. I promise I will do better at getting the shots of me actually painting it this time. But I wanted to show you what I've been working on. I've had a lot of fun with it. I do want to make some windows and things for the tower. Thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, all of you that subscribed. If you're new to the channel and enjoying the slot car content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and until my next day off, I've been Wes.